All right, guys, we have Rich here, the owner of Pro PDR. Tell us about this new light that you have.
So this is the Chubby light. It's been around for a couple of years, but since I'm new to the company, just bought the company this year, we've made some improvements to it to make it more durable. So,
nice.
Absolutely.
Great. Tell me some features of this light that maybe someone might not know.
So what's new in it is we've really upgraded the LEDs to make them more durable. We've also added a the control of it is push button, and it enables us to have a remote control on it, which is really nice. Very handy for having it on the other side of the car, and you can control the on-off, the dimness, which strip is on from your remote control. So
Nice. So what's the warranty on this light?
the warranty is 12 months. Yep.
Great. So lead time. I know this light was a little hard to get in our hands, a technician's hands. So what's going on with that?
So when I first bought the company, we were at 5 or 6 weeks. That's no go for a dent guy, right? He needs a light to make money. So we went and we worked very hard. We built up our stock, we built up our people. Now we're down to like 2 or 3 days.
Wow.
If someone really needs it, we'll ship it out that day. So
Nice.
we have really put a lot of energy into it. We've hired about 7 new people since I bought the company. And that's my commitment to making a better company, so we can delivering products faster, better service, better customer support, all that stuff.
So for a guy that's first light out, what is your most popular light? Is it the 46 or the 30, I think 36 and 42, I believe it is?
So on the big lights, there's the 36 and 46 are both very popular, kind of a mixture of both. I mean, the 46 is probably one of the biggest lights in the industry. You'll light up an entire car. It's really gives you a great view. But there's a lot of guys who'd rather have a smaller light that's a little more portable. And it'll also do a great job of lighting it up for a hail fixing or side panels, all that stuff.
Great. I know from my experience, you guys have one of the best fades I've ever seen. So I was actually a little jealous when the Hail guy had it and I couldn't use it. So you guys have a cart, the A cart. Tell us a little bit about this A cart.
Yeah, so the A-frame cart has been around for maybe 2 or 3 years. It's meant for a guy who has to move around, to be honest. Although Hail guys do like to use it, it's really built for a route technician. So someone who's in and out of their truck, several times a day. You can hang a lot of tools on it. It's 35 pounds empty. A lot of guys will run up to 65 to 75 pounds with tools. And you can fold everything up, package it up, throw it in your pickup, or load it into your pickup, and away you go. So it's really meant to keep you efficient, get you packed up and on the road to the next job.
Nice. And the lead time is 2 to 3 days also with that?
Range of maybe 4 to 5 days, but
okay.
Better than what we've been, and yeah.
Nice. Okay, where can you actually get this product? Do you have a website?
Look us up at propdr.com.
Nice. Do you have any distributors?
We do. We have Anson, we have Dentcraft, and A1 in the U.S.
Perfect. Thanks, guys. All right, Rich, thank you. Appreciate your time.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.